So in this particular problem, we want to evaluate the sum of the given series. So let's begin. So first we will express the series as Sn. So this is the sum up to n number of terms. So that will be equals to 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777 goes all the way up to n number of terms. Next, what we'll do, we'll take 7 as the common factor. So that means we have 7 multiplied to 0.1 plus 0.77, factoring out 7 gives us 0.11. Then the third term will be 0.111. So this goes all the way up to n number of terms. Now what we'll do next, we will multiply each of the terms within the parentheses with 9. But since we're multiplying by 9, we'll need to divide the entire series by 9. So we have 7 divided by 9. So that gets multiplied to, so 9 times 0.1 will be 0.9. Plus 9 times 0.11 will be 0.99. Plus 9 times 0.111 will be 0.999. This goes all the way up to n number of terms. Next, what we'll do, we'll express 0.9 to its in its fractional form. So 0.9 in the fraction form will be 9 over 10. Plus 0.99 in the fractional form will be 99 divided by 100. 0.999 will become 999 divided by 1000, plus all the way up to n number of terms. Furthermore, we can simplify this by rewriting each of the terms as, so 9 over 10 can be also expressed as 1 minus 1 over 10. Then 99 over 100 can be expressed as 1 minus 1 over 100. Then 999 over 1000 can be expressed as 1 minus 1 over 1000, and this sums up to n number of terms. Fine. Next, before simplifying it, we will again rewrite in a further simplified form. So we have 7 over 9 multiplied to 1 minus 1 over 10 plus 1 minus 1 over 100. So 100 can be also expressed as 10 squared plus 1 minus the third term 1 over 1000. So 1000 can be expressed as 10 cubed. So this goes all the way up to n terms. Fine. So now we have 7 over 9 whole multiplied to, we will combine the first term of each of the terms. So we have 1 added to 1. So this goes up to the n number of terms. Then we will take negative as the common factor and combine all the second terms in each of the terms. So we have 1 over 10 added to 1 over 10 squared plus 1 over 10 cubed. This goes all the way up to n number of terms. Fine. Now, we observe that this is our Sn. Here, the first sum. So this is 1 added to itself, n number of terms. So this sum is simply 1 times n, or which simply equals to n. And then this is a geometric progression, which first term of 1 over 10, the common ratio is take the second term 1 over 10 squared and divide it by the first term 1 over 10 to get 1 over 10. And clearly 1 over 10, this value is less than 1. So we can use the formula Sn, the sum of the n terms of the geometric progression, that's given by a times 1 minus r raised to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. So let's use this formula. Then we have our Sn, this will be equals to 7 over 9 whole multiplied to n minus, so our first term will be 1 over 10 multiplied to 1 minus 1 over 10 whole raised to the power of n divided by, we have 1 minus r, so we have 1 minus 1 over 10. Which will be equals to 7 over 9 multiplied to n minus, so 1 over 10 divided by, so 1 minus 1 over 10, that's 9 over 10. So this is simply 1 over 9. So this will get multiplied to 1 minus 1 over 10 raised to the power of n. Fine. Now, if we take out 1 over 9 as the common factor from within the parentheses, then we are going to get 7 over 81, which means we're going to multiply each terms by 9. So we have 9n minus 1 over 10 raised to the power of n, which will be equals to 7 over 81 multiplied to 9n minus 1 plus 1 over 10 raised to the power of n. So this is going to be the sum of the n terms of our given series.